Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update, and it's hot, it's fire, it's amazing, it's making the green candles. And very quickly I want to make a new huge announcement right now, and that I have now 10 days from 20th of July today, 11 days to close the entry for August. So if you guys want to actually join our signals, which is pretty cheap, you can join the Discord. Click on this video and look at the agreement and guideline agreement. I'm just going to leave the video at the end of the video, okay? If you want to learn trading, do check out my trading course if you love the predictions that I'm doing for you. And yep, it's $49, but you can get it for $29. Just message me on the Discord as well. Now let's get back into the charts. Yesterday, here we are, and I talked about this one breaking this level, and look how beautiful this was. I mean, look at the 4-hour time frame. Break to the upside, was kind enough to come for the retest, and it shot to the moon and went to the technical target, and that's amazing. Okay, now the question is it going to continue higher, or is it going to retrace to the downside? Well, that's something that we really need to understand right now. And for this one, guys, I really want to see a particular place being broken. Okay, and for that one, you know what I'm going to do? Diving into the daily. And we're going to talk about the daily place here. There could be a chance of making an huge inverse head and shoulder. Okay, there could be a chance. Like this could probably be your left shoulder here, and you're printing in a head right there, and then you go up like this, you move sideways, and then you print a right shoulder, and then you move higher to that 0.8. And this is a level that was never really retested. Okay, so there are chances of going there if inverse head and shoulder gets actually printed out. Okay, now number two is that there's a resistance here that I'm going to say that has to be broken. And if you're in a profits, I will say do take out your profits all the time. So this is a place I'm looking for SLP to break. Actually, if it does break this level, then I might expect SLP to actually continue with its rise to the upside. So that's going to be 503 level. So if you do come up here and you try to hold this level, move sideways maybe, then there's a good chance you can actually start to move higher, and you're going to find the next technical target being to the 594 as well. Oh boy. Hey, did you hear the tractor? It's amazing, isn't it? Anyways, that's it for this quick update on SLP, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.